To remove and replace the battery on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. On 2-seat models, remove the driver's seat or the driver's side rear passenger seat on 4-seat models. Then remove the battery cover / hold-down assembly from the battery. After this, loosen the negative cable fastener and remove the battery post first to prevent arcing. Continue by sliding the red boot off the positive red battery terminal. Then loosen the positive cable fastener and remove from the battery post. Continue by lifting the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery box. Then install the battery into the battery holder. After this, reconnect the positive red cable fastener and torque to specification. Now slide the red boot onto the positive red cable. Continue by connecting the negative black cable fastener and torque to specification. Once complete, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Before continuing, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Then reinstall the battery cover assembly and torque fastener to specification. Next, reinstall the seat. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected from the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.